Hey all, so in this video, you're going to learn how I use Generative Fill within Photoshop on a day-to-day basis. By no means am I an expert at all. I'm actually learning as I go, and I hope in 6 months from now I can be a beast at this. But on a basic level, I feel like this could still be of use, even if you're a beginner or even if you're not a graphic designer or whatever have you, right? So anyways, as you see here, I have a video of this beautiful woman here laid out getting a beautiful relaxing facial. However, I do not want those candles there. Not only does that look like a hazard, but this doesn't really reflect the reality of what it is that the site that I'm actually using it for, which is a spa. And this is for a mock-up site to pitch to the spa, by the way. So wish me luck. I'll update you guys more on that. And keep in mind, you're probably asking, well, how did this even come about to begin with? Like, why did the photographer choose to have the candles there? Well, there was never a photographer. And this person isn't real, y'all. This is an AI generated photo. Yes, AI is taking over the world. So not only are we going to be using AI to remove these candles that I don't want here, but AI actually made this photo. And if you look closely, like this guy, there, it's like a little wonky. Like, what is that? So it's like a little glitch, but we can even fix that too. Okay, so let's get into this. I have my photo here. I have my photo here to start. And oh, by the way, if you're wondering how I made the AI image, it was through Midjourney, which another thing I'm not an expert at. I literally just got it yesterday. And just a warning, do not, if you're getting the beginner or the lowest subscription, do not use up all of your hours. I did already, and now I'm contemplating paying a little bit more to be able to actually use it for what I needed it for, because I was just doing a lot of experimentation. So just FYI on that, okay? Anyways, I have my photo and I already have my lasso tool selected. If that's not something you're familiar with, it's this guy right here. And I'm going to go ahead and select my image. Now, keep in mind, this one doesn't have a shadow, so I can just easily select that one, but this one does, so you want to make sure to select the shadow as well. Anything that has anything to do with the subject that you are trying to remove, or if you're trying to add to something, for instance. But right now we're focusing on removing for the sake of this demo, okay? I don't know also if you can select multiple. So let's figure that out. I guess maybe if I have this selected, let me click shift and see if it'll do it for this too. Oh yeah, perfect. So if you want to select multiple items, make sure to hold down shift. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to type in remove, remove candle. Now keep in mind, I might need to say candles, plural, but keep in mind too, generative fill is super robust. So even if I didn't put anything there, y'all, it could even figure out what I was trying to do. So actually, for the sake of this demo, I'll literally show you that. So let me remove what I wanted it to take out. And I'm just going to put generate. All right, and see if it figures out what I wanted to do, because sometimes it's that damn good. Okay. I have a feeling that it may not, but let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. I think the energy to the AI might actually help it work. So let me know in the comments below if you've done this. Oh my gosh, it did. You see, I need to be more trusting. That's so insane. So I didn't even have to specify what I wanted, y'all. It figured it out. But just keep in mind, you do get 3 options here. So let's see what the other 2 look like. Absolutely not for that one. And this one, not so bad. It definitely kept the crease there too. So let me see what one looks like again. Okay. The only thing is that looks a little strange, but honestly, no one's going to even know. That actually looks better now that I see it. It looks better and more in alignment with the steam, but even if I did keep option 1, like who's going to know that there was something there, even though it looks like it's kind of like puckered up. So let's keep option 3. That is super dope. And if you guys didn't like what it generated, you can generate it again without having to select again. So I'll just show you what that looks like, even though I'm going to keep option 3. So I'm going to generate again. And there's tips that come up too that are super helpful. So feel free to pause it in this video if you want to read the exact tips that I'm getting right now. But I'm showing you guys literally in real time, not sped up. But if you want to speed this up, go ahead and play in 2x speed for you. All right, boom. So those are the other options. It looks very, very similar, but let me just show you guys. Those are all the options. So these are the last, the first set are going to be pushed to the end. So these were the first 3 options that we got. And then here are the new ones that we got. I actually kind of like that one better now. Ooh, that one's not bad either. This one's good too. Listen, they're all they're all really good options. I'm just gonna stick with the original one that we decided. So there you have it, you guys. Now, here's the before, here's the after. Super insane. Now, I also want to get rid of this over here because I noticed that that definitely is a glitch. So I'm going to go ahead and lasso around my little selection, and I'm going to grab a little bit of the hair there too, so it kind of recognizes that. And this time I'm going to say remove. I have a feeling it's going to need a little bit of assistance with that. So let's just say remove and see what happens. And let me know in the comments below, y'all, if you've mastered this, if you have any tips or tricks, if you want to point me in the direction of people who are really good teachers of generative fill for Photoshop, that'd be awesome. I would love to know. Oh, it works. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at how freaking dope. That's insane. Look at that. Okay, I think this is the best one actually though. But anyways, that's option one, option two, option three. Yeah, let's do option three. So let's zoom back out, and I've instantly cleaned up my AI generated photo by using more AI in another program. That's insane. Okay, cool, y'all. That completes this freaking demo and this tutorial on how I use generative fill on a day-to-day basis to kind of speed up my editing process. I still have yet to really master, Photoshop and Illustrator, although I am a graphic designer, but I do specialize in web design, and I go by Beauty Graphic Designer, of course, as you can see from the name of my channel. So if you are a beauty or wellness brand looking to elevate and align your aesthetics to attract your audience, definitely drop me a line. Visit beautygraphicdesigner.com. By the way, today is Tuesday, February 20th, and Saturday, February 24th, which is also my half birthday. So 2/24/24 is the official launch of beautygraphicdesigner.com. You guys, I'm scared, I'm terrified, and all the things, but this is a like a long time coming. I have like crippling, just in short to explain a little bit of context, I have crippling freaking imposter syndrome, but I'm trying to commit to not letting that own me this year. And so I'm calling this my golden year as well. And again, 6 months from now, especially from Saturday, will be my birthday. And I'm hoping to be in a completely different reality. So again, if you are someone interested in elevating your web design platform, and if even if it doesn't exist, definitely hit me up, or if you know someone that needs that, share away. Otherwise, subscribe to this channel, you guys, and I hope this video was helpful. I have more to come, and hopefully you can use this just as easy as I was able to. This or Mid Journey, that's another thing I still got to master, chat. Anyways, have a beautiful, blessed, productive day, and I'll see you guys